Okay, so if your Google Play Store is not really working on your Android phone, this is what you have to do. First, launch to settings, tap on apps and notifications, tap on see your apps, wait for it to load. After loading, what you have to do is to tap on the search bar at the top over here, then search for Google Play. So when you search for Google Play, you're going to see Google Play Services and Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Services. Tap on notifications. Make sure notifications are all toggled on. After that, go back, tap on the first stop, tap on OK, then you tap on permissions. Make sure every permission is allowed over here. Then you go back, then you tap on storage and cache, clear the cache, and also tap on the clear storage. It's going to send you here. So what you have to do is to tap on clear all data. Tap on this, clear all data. So you tap on it, then you tap on the delete section over here. So after tapping on it, then you go back, then tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restrictions, and make sure the background data is really toggled on. So after doing this, what you have to do is to go to the Google Play, search for Google Play and tap on the Google Play Store. Tap on permissions, make sure everything is allowed. Tap on notifications and make sure every notification is really toggled on. After that, tap on the first stop, then you tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Make sure you clear the cache and make sure the storage is also cleared. So you tap on OK. So after that, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction. Make sure the background data is toggled on. So after doing all this, everything is going to work perfectly for you. Just restart your device. Tap on the power button for some while. Then you tap on restart. Then you tap on OK. And it's going to restart. After restarting, everything is going to work perfectly for you. If you have any question or if you want me to fix something for you, just let me know in my comment section. See you in my next one. Bye.